There are several ways to place guidelines on the work area. Click the ruler on top of the work area and drag to create a horizontal guideline. Release the mouse to place it. You can also double-click the ruler to create a guideline, then move the cursor freely around the work area and click to place the guideline. Use the same options with the ruler on the left side of the work area to create a vertical guideline, or with the corner where the rulers meet, to create both horizontal and vertical guidelines at the same time. Double-click a guideline to edit the angle. Enter a distance to offset the guideline. Enter a negative value to move a vertical guideline to the left, or enter a positive value to move it to the right. Tick on Create New to keep the original guideline. Another way to duplicate a guideline is to hold the Shift key, then click and drag to place the new guideline. Selected guidelines have alternating long and short dashes. To cut a piece along a selected guideline, go to Segment, Cut by Guideline. Give the seam allowance, and click OK. Click the View Guidelines tool to toggle hiding and showing the guidelines on the work area. To delete a guideline, double-click the guideline and click the Delete button. To delete all guidelines, click the Delete Guidelines tool.